In this video we're going to go over a common calibration sequence of a reference microphone. I'll be calibrating an SCM2 using a B&K 4231 calibrator and an audio connect. The audio connect USB has been plugged into our computer, and I'll plug the reference mic into channel 1. The reference mic will then go in the calibrator and I'll turn the calibrator on. First, we have to verify our hardware is set up correctly. I have auto mode on, so the audio connect is automatically detected and filled out. I now will run an offline audio connect message step. I'll choose the device ID and configure listen hardware. I want to make sure that mic bias is on and channel 1 is set to mic, and we'll put 20 dB of gain on. I'll apply that and then hit OK. Now we can open up our calibration. I'm going to be wanting to calibrate our reference mic channel, so I'll navigate there. I'm going to use input channel 1 of my hardware, which is set to my audio connect. And for the calibrated input device, I'm going to add a new one with the exact serial number that I'm using. The sensitivity defaults back to 1 volt per volt. I'm going to want to set that back to dB/SPL. Here in the gain, I'm also going to turn on auto read on audio connect channel 1. This automatically accounts for the plus 20 dB I have my device set to. Here in calibration sequences, we have a couple options, but since this is a microphone, I'm going to select it and hit calibrate device. In this dropdown, we have an option of different types of calibrators. I'm using a 4231, so I'll select that. If you're using a calibrator that's not on this list, select Other Calibrator. You'll be able to manually enter in the input level and frequency. And we also have some measurement microphones, so I'll select our SCM2. The combination of selecting the calibrator and the measurement microphone give the calibration input, the reference frequency, and then the upper and lower limits of the calibration sequence. The gain here is also read right from the previous screen, where we selected auto read 20 dB. So now I hit calibrate. We can see it's passed at 17.2 millivolts per Pascal. I'll hit it again just to make sure it's stable, and now we'll click OK. Our last calibrated date has updated. Our sensitivity is updated to 17.2 millivolts per Pascal. Our reference mic input channel is now ready to go, so I'll click Save.